Hey, what's up everybody? It is your girl Manny and welcome back to Inspire Today and another Makeup Monday, the first Makeup Monday of 2019. So while I was getting ready for church, I figured that I will go ahead and do my makeup on camera with you guys and show you guys what I did, and this is the look that I came up with. You could go ahead and put lashes, I just didn't feel like doing that. You know, your girl is lazy sometimes. She's lazy. So if you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You are most definitely welcome. I love to get new people joining the Inspire gang. So go ahead and thumbs up this video, comment down below, like and share, and let's get right. So I'm just going to start by filling in my eyebrows, and I'm just using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz and brow pencil just to fill in my eyebrows. Now I'm just taking my Benefit the Professional to just go ahead and prime my face, and I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer HD Concealer to just go ahead and clean up the bottom of my brows. For our primer, I'm using the Urban Decay Primer Potion. Now for this look, we're using the Shayla X ColourPop Perception Palette, and I'm using the color Culture, Revenge, and Strut and Slay. Now for Revenge, at first I was just using it in the outer V of my eyes, and then I figured why not bring it on the inside and kind of do a halo look, so that's what I eventually did with that color. I'm just concentrating the Spill the Tea color. I'm just concentrating that in the middle of my eyes. And when I'm blending, I'm just taking the same brush that I use Culture without any more added product. I'm just putting that on. Now, I know this foundation is way too light, but the next foundation that I'm gonna use is too dark for me right now. So I figured if I do it this way, then I'll get my perfect skin color because I'm mixing both of these foundations. I ain't trying to be casket ready yet. I'm just cleaning up the top of my eyebrows that I did not do yet. So now I'm using that same Fawn color by LA Girl to just do my first step of my highlighting. Basically kind of correcting it in a sense because this one is a little bit closer to my skin tone. So now I'm just taking my ColourPop No Filter concealers to just go ahead and highlight and contour. So now I'm just using a mixer of my Laura Mercier and my banana powder, and I'm just pressing that into the areas that I highlighted just to go ahead and set those areas. And I'm also putting it underneath my contour just to kind of make my contour stand out a little bit. So now I'm just taking the color Revenge again and just putting it on my bottom lashes. So now I'm just taking a black pencil and just lining my waterline, and then I took the color played out. It's not black, but it's a dark brown color, and it works to just set my waterline. So now I'm just taking a brush to kind of just, even though I did press the powder in, but I want to make sure that everything's well blended, so I'm just doing that. And now I'm just using my ColourPop bronzer to go ahead and just bronze up my face. And now I'm just taking my Maybelline Fit Me powder. I'm just going ahead and setting up my whole face with the powder. And I'm taking it an extra step, and I'm using a clean brush, and I am just buffing everything in and making sure everything's well blended. So while I'm waiting for my face to dry from my spray that I just used, I'm just going to go ahead and put some mascara on. I'm using the Benefit They're Real mascara along with the It Cosmetics Superhero. For my highlighter, I'm using the Boomin highlighter from the Shayla X ColourPop collection. For my lips, I'm using the color Push Up from NYX Cosmetics along with their liner in the color Neutral or Natural, I believe it is. So now I'm just tight lining the top of my eyelids and just taking my D Benoit highlighter in Sultan and just putting it in my inner tear duct. So while editing this, I realized that my outro got deleted. It's not here, but this is the final look. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.